Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see an interesting account takeover due to a two-factor authentication logic flaw. So in this video, I was able to find out a flaw into a web application into which I was able to keep a two-factor authentication onto the website. After keeping the two-factor authentication, the website made me log out of that specific account. And now when I try to log in into the website, it asks me for the two-factor authentication code before I can log in. But I found a way through which I was able to bypass that two-factor authentication verification window. So let's see how I was able to do that. So it's the practical time and let's see the video POC. As you can see, I am on this account rohitshifa.officiant.io and I have logged in through my email ID, that is blackops.ruby@gmail.com. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see two-factor authentication is disabled right now. I'm going to enable it. So when I try to enable it, you can see the application is saying, are you sure you will be logged out and you will need your smartphone to continue? So basically, when I'm going to enable the two-factor authentication, the application will log me out. So I will just hit OK. And you can see I am thrown out of the application. Now, when I try to log in into the application with my correct password, the application will ask me the two-factor authentication window. So it is asking me to authenticate with Google Authenticator or Auth0 Guardian app. So now I'm not able to log in into my account. Yes. So how I'm able to bypass this? See, I again try other method, but I'm not able to log in. I'm stuck here. I cannot further proceed into my account. So I will go in Burp again and I have captured the request for which I was keeping the two-factor authentication on. As you can see here, a post request is going which says MFA enabled. MFA enabled means multi-factor authentication enabled. So it was 1. So now I did 0 here. Okay. So I did 0, which means multi-factor authentication enabled 0. I am turning it off. Now I will again go to the website and try to log in with my right password. And I will hit login. And now you can see the two-factor authentication window has gone away from here and I am directly logged in into my website. Yes. So I will just go there in settings and I will just try to show you the two-factor authentication is disabled. Yes. So I hope you guys understood. Thank you.